Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, "Teach me a supplication which I should make in my prayer." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam whereupon said, "Say," translation, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have wronged myself a great deal." In Qutayba's narration, there is kasiran in place of kabiran, and none but you can pardon sins. So grant me special pardon from you. Bestow mercy on me. Undoubtedly, you are forgiving and compassionate one. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, teach me a supplication which I should make in my prayer and my house." Then hadith goes like the previous one. However, it says Zulman Kasiran. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6809.